In this video, we will show you how to replace your outside mirror glass on this Ford Fusion. This will be mounted to your outside mirror assembly. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. I'm going to pivot the mirror so I can gain access to the mirror glass. Now we have to remove the mirror glass from the mirror assembly itself. When doing so, you want to use a plastic trim tool, but be aware that there is wiring making its way along the back side of the mirror. The mirror glass itself has some locking tabs that we're going to have to carefully pry this mirror glass out of place. Before we do that, let's apply some tape to the mirror. Now we can tilt the mirror a little bit. Using our plastic trim tool, we're going to gently start prying it away. Once again, there is wiring along the back side. We want to be extremely careful. Just real quick, you can see some of the locking tabs right along here. Now I'm just going to make my way down a little further. Let's just continue taking this off of here. Now we can make our way along the back side for some wiring harnesses. We'll start with the inboard wiring harnesses here. For these, you just want to pop them right out of place. A quick inspection as you continue on. If you see any corrosion, you want to take care of that. That one looks fine. That looks good as well. Now let's make our way down along to the next wiring harness. For this, we're just going to pop it out of place. Now right in this area, we can see our locking tab. Make your way under that. Just a quick inspection of both ends of that. There it is, friend. Okay, friend, let's get ready for the installation of our outside mirror glass. First, let's have a look along the back side. On the mirror itself, you should find two areas for your two metal tabs that came with your kit. For those metal tabs, we're just going to take each of those and slide them right into position, listening for a click and checking to make sure they're locked in. Could hear a click, a light tug. Same process for the next one. Little click, light tug. Now let's get this on the mirror. Let's continue on to our wiring harnesses. Get the first one lined up here, slide it in. Listen for a click, a light tug confirming it's secured. We'll lock this in along the back side of the mirror here, presses right in. Now it's time for our next two wiring harnesses on the opposite side of the mirror. We'll have to bring the mirror a little closer here for this. Line it up, press it in. A light tug, continue on. Now as we bring this into position, we're going to be paying attention along the mirror and the back side of the mirror glass for those locking tabs. We'll get everything aligned and gently press it straight in towards the mirror. When pressing, we're going to press along the center, not along the edges. The center is where the locking tabs are. There we are. Listen for a click from all the locking ears, a light tug all the way around, just confirming it's properly locked in. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our outside mirror glass. The next thing you want to do is hop in the passenger compartment and test the functionality of the mirror itself. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.